Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to blow your nose. How to blow your nose. Blowing your nose is arguably one of the most difficult things that you'll ever have to do in your life, but definitely worth learning in my opinion. The reason why you'd want to blow your nose in the first place is because it might be blocked. You could have something lodged up there, such as a Lego piece, or some dust, or cement. These things may be causing you some discomfort, so you finally decided to get them removed. That is where blowing your nose comes in. When you blow your nose, the air comes directly from your legs all the way up, past your knees, further up still, through your stomach, up, onto your shoulders, and then directly through the nose. And it is the force of the air that shoves anything that's in your nose and just goes like that, and everything comes flying out. Therefore, the stronger that you blow your nose, the more cement that should come out. That is the science behind it. So we've covered the theory of blowing your nose, but does it actually work in reality? Well, we're about to find that out. But first, you'll need to gather everything that you need in order to blow your nose. You will need one nose. That is all. So what you're going to want to do is to cover your nose just like this and blow just like a hurricane. So hopefully anything that's blocked will then be removed. We'll just give that a go now. Oh my goodness. A paperclip just came from my nose. It was definitely worth blowing my nose, as you can see. Maybe you'll find some buried treasure in there yourself. Who knows? That's a good find. Now, I don't know about you, but my nose still feels a little blocked. I feel like there's something just still in there, and I have to try and get it removed, because otherwise it may cause me discomfort, and I don't want that. So let's just try that one more time, I think. Here goes. I don't believe it. There was a mouse in there. Had a mouse in my nose. No wonder why I couldn't smell earlier. It all makes sense now. Well, that's a relief. And that completes the video on how to blow your nose. If there is another tutorial that you need help with, such as how to blow your kneecaps, then please let me know. Now, I've successfully managed to blow my nose, so I'm just going to sit here quietly, so I'll catch you all later. Goodbye. Why is it still filming? It's a bit unnecessary now. Apparently, you can also blow your nose using a tissue. I'm not quite sure how it will work, but I'll give that a go. Thankfully, I've got a tissue right here, so hopefully I'll be able to blow my nose using this. Let's try and figure this one out. No, there's nothing that came out. I don't think this is very effective, not the best way. I would advise using the hands because you really get a feel of anything that's lodged in there with the hands. Tissue, not really sure if it's actually worth using at all. Doesn't really do anything, it's just a tissue. So stick with the hands, stick with what you know. That's all. That's all for now. It's a good test though. It's good to test that one out.